everyone. Today we're going to be showing you how to cut or trim your dog's nails at home. You're going to need a couple tools, this clipper and also a polisher, and it's electric. For the clipper, I recommend that you get the one with the flashlight. And the reason why is because it helps you see where the dog's veins are, so you don't overcut and injure your dog. Okay, so let's go ahead and start. What you're going to want to do is get your dog in a comfortable position. It's not her favorite thing to do, but then, yeah, she's used to it. So get your dog in a lying position, or otherwise on something higher, like on a couch, and where their nails can kind of hang off the couch like this, and then you can cut it that way. Once you get your dog in a comfortable position, just go ahead and start clipping, but then make sure you don't hit the vein, the pink part. So what you're gonna want to do is get the nail clipper, and then we use that flashlight. Like I said, once he turns it on, you can see where the pinkness is. That's where the vein is at, basically. And then so you don't want to cut too close to that. It's just like a human nail. You want to leave some of the pink. You're not going to cut off all the white. Once you can see where the vein is, go ahead and clip. See? All right, so if your dog has a black nail, go by the back, and then you'll see that the pink part ends in the bottom. There's a little bit of white. So you don't want to cut all the way into the pink. You want to leave some of that white. So so for here, you can only clip up to around here. Okay. So that's the nail clippings, and now we're gonna polish. I really recommend getting one of these. It doesn't hurt the dog at all, and then just grind a little bit. So now it's nice and smooth. And that's basically how you cut your dog's nails. And don't forget to give your dog a little treat after. Okay.